Good morning, guys. This is Vimal here, and welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm back with a new tech video, and this time we have something new from Sony. Sony has just recently launched their brand new budget category affordable Bluetooth speaker. It's called the SRS XB13 and packs some really decent features for the price. And today in this video, we're gonna unbox and check it out. Keeping that aside, I actually have arranged a special giveaway as well, especially for you people. So, make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing all the giveaway details at a later part in the video. So let's get started. So guys, this is a speaker I was talking about, Sony's new affordable Bluetooth speaker SRS XB13, and along with that the brand has also sent us some greetings for World Music Day. Very nice of them. Thank you Sony for this. And you guys can just pause this video and read the text if you're interested. Anyways, keeping that aside, let's check out the product we've been waiting for. I actually have a couple of these units on my desk because I've told you, right, there's a special giveaway happening in this video. So for now, let's just keep these two of these units aside and then check out the actual box packaging of the product. There you go. This is how the Sony's new SRS XB13 Bluetooth speaker comes like. It comes in this very compact box packaging and has a picture of the product on the front side. You've got the Sony branding everywhere, says SRS XB13 wireless speaker on the front, and this speaker actually packs some really nice features for the price point, which I'll be telling you in a moment. It is IP67 dust and waterproof, offers 16 hours of battery life, has a Type-C port, and also comes with a multi-way strap and some other stuff, which I'll be telling you in this video. Anyways, one great feature about this is it also supports stereo pairing function. That means if you buy two of these speakers, you can use them in stereo mode as well. Pretty awesome, right? So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just tear this seal on the package. And there you go. Let's open the box and check out what do we have on the inside. So as soon as you open it, we've got some paperwork at the top. Just make sure to check it out. Keeping that aside, we've got some more paperwork on the inside. Must be a quick start guide and a user manual on how to use the product. Just make sure to read this whenever you have time. And finally, guys, here's the speaker that I've been talking about, Sony's new XB13 Bluetooth speaker. It's actually available in like multiple color variants. We have the standard black color edition. And wow, this actually looks good. Along with that, you also get a Type-C cable for charging. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. First of all, it's a very compact Bluetooth speaker and you can see the Sony branding on the front. Initial impressions, build quality of the speaker is very nice. The body is entirely made of polycarbonate and has a soft touch matte finishing that doesn't attract fingerprints also that easily. So that is one good thing. If you talk about the design, as you can see, it's got the driver unit at the top side, has a passive bass radiator design on the bottom, and it also comes with sound diffusion processor to spread sound in 360 degrees as mentioned by the brand. The driver size is 46 mm covered in this beautiful metal grille at the top side. At the back side, you've got some buttons and controls. I'll come there in a moment. Going to the bottom side, we've got a rubber foot pad and some info regarding the product, and that is pretty much it. So now let me show you all the available buttons and ports on it. So going to the back side, guys, this is where you've got all the buttons. There's a power button and a special stereo pair function button to pair with your second unit of the speaker, a play pause, microphone just below that, volume down and volume up. The quality of the buttons is also very good, offer a tactile and clicky feedback. And not only that, it also comes with this lanyard, which is like a multi-way strap, so you can easily hook it onto your bag or maybe your belt pack and easily carry it anywhere, even while traveling. So that was our overview on the design and build quality of these brand new XB13 speakers from Sony. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly connect them to my phone, we'll play some music tracks, and then I'll show you how the audio quality on them sounds like. Just check out this clip. Okay, you guys heard the sound quality, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, sound quality of the speakers is actually very good, guys. There's good amount of detail in the mids. You can easily hear and understand all the dialogues, no matter you're watching movies or even listening to like music. And if you talk about the treble is also quite smooth. It's not that harsh and irritating, just the right amount of treble. And coming to the bass, my god, I mean, just look at this. This is a tiny speaker, right? Initially I was not expecting this tiny speaker to produce this kind of bass, but yeah, bass is also very good. It was producing like good and punchy bass, all thanks to the design. Along with this, mono driver at the top side, it also has this passive bass radiator design on the bottom, right? That is where the magic is happening. So yeah, it was producing good punchy bass, and the overall audio quality was very good for the price. See, one thing I have to say is, if you're getting the speaker, I would definitely recommend you to get 2 units of these because of this special stereo pairing function. And let me tell you, when you play both these speakers in stereo mode, right, it feels awesome because there's like real stereo separation happening, and the audio output is also like quite loud when you're playing both of them together. It's like more than enough to have like a good party at your place. Very nice experience, guys. And the distortion was also very minimum, even up to like 90% volume level. If you would like buy one speaker, right, you'd still get the same audio quality. Audio quality is fine, but you might feel that the audio output is a bit less. See, I've seen so many budget category Bluetooth speakers, and some of them might actually produce a bit higher output, but let me tell you, they have fair amount of distortion when you increase the volume, and that is not there over here. You're having like very less distortion, even up to like 90-95% audio output also. So that is one nice thing. So that's it, guys. Especially while you're watching movies now, place your laptop in between, put both of these speakers to the left and right. You will have like a great movie experience on your laptop. So that was about the audio quality and sound output. Now let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life of the speakers is also very good, guys. On a single charge, when you're playing music at around like 70-75% volume level, right, you'll easily get a battery life of around 13 to 14 hours on per charge. But charging time was only a bit higher. It took around like 3.5 hours to 4 hours to fully charge this speaker. Well, that's it, guys. That was my video on Sony's new budget category Bluetooth speaker, the XB13. It's a good speaker for the price. I like the design, build quality is top notch, audio quality is also great, and battery life is also fine. And on top of that, it's IP67 dust and water resistant, right? So it's also great for your outdoor trips. The only thing I felt is the price of this speaker is slightly on the expensive side. It costs around like 3,990 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. I know you all have been like eagerly waiting for this part, so let me tell you about the giveaway. So I've collaborated with Sony and arranged a special giveaway just for you guys, where I'll be giving away 2 units of the Sony XB13 speakers to 2 winners on my channel. So to participate in this giveaway, guys, all you need to do is just follow me on my social media profiles like Instagram and Twitter, and just comment down in this video like, what do you like about this speaker? And that is it, your ticket for participation. This contest will run for about like 2 weeks starting from today, and after that the winners will be announced on both my social media as well as this YouTube's videos description box, guys. So you can come back and check for the winner announcement. And that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.